Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of crime scenes. Now when we think of crime scenes, most people think of blood splatters and chalk outlines, and yeah, sometimes that's accurate. But what you might not know is the incredible variety of forms a crime scene can take. We're not just talking about a location, a place, though that's certainly part of it. We're talking about a story, a puzzle box frozen in time just waiting to be unlocked. Each type of crime scene presents unique challenges, demanding investigators use specific expertise and techniques to decipher the truth. Stay tuned to learn about the different types of crime scenes investigators encounter, the methods they use, and how they piece together the fragments of a story to bring justice for the victims. Homicide. It's a word that sends chills down your spine, and for good reason. It represents the taking of a human life, the ultimate violation. And when it comes to crime scenes, homicide scenes are often the most complex and demanding. Every inch of the scene becomes a potential treasure trove of evidence. Investigators meticulously document every detail, searching for fingerprints, DNA traces, weapon residues, anything that might connect the dots between victim, perpetrator, and the final tragic moments of life. The smallest detail can make all the difference. A misplaced hair, a cigarette butt, even the tiniest fiber can crack a case wide open. It's about meticulously piecing together a puzzle, understanding the why, the how, and ultimately who. Burglary. It's a crime of stealth, a violation of personal space and security. Unlike the chaos of a homicide, burglary scenes often present a chilling stillness, a silence that speaks volumes. But don't let that fool you, these scenes are brimming with clues. Investigators focus on identifying points of entry and exit, meticulously analyzing forced locks, shattered windows, or any sign of unauthorized access. Footprints, tire tracks, even subtle disturbances in the environment can provide valuable leads. And of course, there's the stolen property. Investigators work closely with victims to compile detailed lists, hoping to track down the missing items and bring the perpetrators to justice. Arson. A firestorm of destruction fueled by malice and leaving devastation in its wake. Investigating arson is like navigating a maze of ash and debris searching for the spark that ignited the blaze. It's a meticulous process, demanding expertise in fire science and an eye for the smallest details. Investigators meticulously examine burn patterns, searching for clues that reveal the fire's origin and how it spread. They collect samples, testing for accelerants like gasoline or kerosene, which can indicate a deliberate act. The hunt for an ignition source is also crucial. A discarded cigarette, a malfunctioning electrical outlet, even a deliberately placed incendiary device. Each piece of evidence brings us closer to understanding the motivation behind the fire and bringing those responsible to justice. Traffic collisions. They happen in a flash, a terrifying collision of metal and glass that can have life-altering consequences. But, unlike other crime scenes, the evidence in a traffic collision scene is often scattered across a large area, the remnants of a violent instant frozen in time. Investigators meticulously document the scene, photographing vehicle positions, skid marks, and any damage to the surrounding environment. They analyze the trajectory of vehicles, the force of impact, and any contributing factors like weather conditions or road hazards. Witness statements are crucial in these investigations, providing valuable perspectives on the moments leading up to the collision. It's about piecing together the sequence of events, understanding what went wrong, and ultimately, preventing similar tragedies from happening in the future. Cybercrime. In an increasingly digital world, it's the crime scene that exists in the ethereal realm of ones and zeros, a labyrinth of data where criminals exploit vulnerabilities with a few keystrokes. It's a new breed of crime, requiring a new breed of investigator. Forget fingerprints and DNA, cybercrime investigators are searching for digital fingerprints, the telltale traces left behind in the vast expanse of cyberspace. They delve into hard drives, analyze network traffic, and trace online activity to uncover the perpetrators behind hacking schemes, data breaches, and online fraud. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, as investigators work tirelessly to stay one step ahead of increasingly sophisticated cybercriminals. Their work is essential in today's interconnected world, protecting our privacy, our finances, and our way of life. Thanks for watching. We've only scratched the surface of the diverse and often disturbing world of crime scenes. From the blood-soaked floors of a homicide to the digital trails of a cybercrime, each scene presents unique challenges and requires specialized expertise to unravel the truth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on crime and investigation. We'll continue to delve into the minds of criminals, explore the science behind forensics, and shed light on the dedicated individuals working tirelessly to bring justice to those affected by crime.